What does your body's immune system have in common with an elite gymnast such as Simone Biles? Both can perform intricate routines while maintaining their balance. You see, your immune system is quite complex and is composed of many different types of cells, all designed to keep you healthy. Let's take an infection for an example. In an infection, there are specific cells that are going to go and fight off that infection. Meanwhile, there are other cells that are going to recruit cells to that site to continue the fight. And then once that infection is gone, there will be cells that say, hey, our work here is done. Everything is in balance. But what happens when the immune system becomes unbalanced? Well, just as Simone Biles had a case of the Twisties in the 2021 Olympics, causing her to lose her balance, the same exact thing can happen in autoimmune diseases such as multiple sclerosis. In multiple sclerosis, there are two main types of cells we are concerned about. The first being autoreactive cells highlighted in orange. These cells are recognizing parts of the brain and spinal cord as being foreign, and they attack it, treating it like an infection. Meanwhile, that second cell type, suppressive cells, highlighted in blue. Suppressive cells have the ability to combat autoreactive cells and help maintain balance. However, in multiple sclerosis, those autoreactive cells are proliferating in an unchecked manner so that the suppressive cells cannot keep up. So, I propose, just as Simone Biles in this previous Olympics regained her balance and performed quite well, we too can do the same thing with the immune system. I work in the Ainsley Lab for Pharmaceutical Sciences, and what we do is we work with biocompatible microparticles. With these microparticles, we take these ID tags present in the brain and spinal cord, we place them inside of our microparticles and inject them. This serves as a blueprint to those suppressive cells to expand and proliferate to help regain that balance. We tested this in a mouse model of multiple sclerosis, which is very akin to the human disease, meaning that these mice we treat when they have waist-down paralysis, just as when a human would come into the clinic with severe symptoms. We treat 3 times, 7 days apart, and what we observe is that mice who were once unable to walk have fully regained the ability to walk and only have the slightest inhibition of movement in their tail. This is durable for out to 60 days in mice, which is equivalent to multiple years of remission in humans. So as I go forward, I am going to work to optimize this treatment to see if we can bring these mice fully back down to a healthy baseline so that by the time I finish my project, hopefully I will be able to say that we have stuck the landing. Thank you.